Hey everyone, if you want to improve the audio quality in DroidCam for clearer calls, meetings, or live streams, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you a few simple tips to get the best sound possible, so let's get started. First, make sure you're using the latest version of both the DroidCam app and the DroidCam client. Updates often include audio improvements and bug fixes that can enhance performance. Next, place your phone closer to your voice and avoid covering the microphone. Yeah, keeping the phone within a comfortable speaking distance usually produces much clearer audio. If possible, use a USB connection instead of Wi-Fi. A wired connection can reduce audio delay and provide a more stable experience, especially during long meetings or live streams. Now move to a quiet room and reduce background noise like fans, televisions, or open windows. A quieter environment makes a noticeable difference in microphone quality. Also, check the audio settings in apps like Zoom, Google Meet, Discord, or OBS Studio. Make sure DroidCam audio is selected as the microphone if you want to use your phone's mic. If the sound is too low or distorted, restart DroidCam, reconnect your phone, and test the microphone again. Sometimes a quick reconnect resolves common audio issues, and that's it. You've learned several easy ways to improve DroidCam audio quality. With the right setup and a quiet environment, your phone can deliver clear, professional-sounding audio. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey everyone, if you want to improve the video quality in DroidCam and make your webcam look sharper and more professional,